What is up, you guys? So I am back with another vlog, and I'm super excited about this particular vlog right here, you guys. The reason why is because I did something drastic, and it is perfect. You know, I still gotta do a little bit more stuff, but right now it is perfect, and I'm so glad that we decided to make this move. Okay, so y'all are probably wondering, what is the change, girl? Go ahead and let me know what it is. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. You know, your girl, I went ahead and I changed the flooring in my living room. I went from the farmhouse looking floors to now that's something like sleek and sexy, and this is totally me, you guys. I just wanted to push my house into a completely different direction because everybody and their mamas out here doing, you know what I'm saying, farmhouse, and all of our houses are starting to look alike, you guys. And I'm not one to want my house to look like everybody else's house. I don't want somebody to go to one house and then come to mine and be like, oh, they have the same similar taste or anything like that. That's not what I want, you guys. I want my house to stand out. And so far, from what I've been looking at, nobody has these color floors, okay? Because everybody's going with, you know, the light oaks and stuff like that. Go that direction. I'm so happy that I chose this direction. Some may say that it's a bit too dark for them, but it's perfect for me. This is just something that I love. I love it. You know, you might not love it, but you know, to each their own, you guys. I went with a nice black floor. Straight up black, you guys. It's sleek, but I freaking love it. You guys are gonna see it as well. Before I get started into this vlog, make sure that you guys like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys. And you're gonna wanna give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and just join the channel because I have so much stuff coming in store for you guys. I know I'm not able to put it out like that, you guys, because in all actuality, I'm not gonna lie, I mean, it's not like I'm balling like that, but the videos will be coming, and this is the first of many, and I have so many little updates that's coming up, you guys. It's gonna blow your mind, okay? So make sure that you subscribe, show me some love. But what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm just gonna go ahead and stop rambling. I'm gonna drop in the clips and let you guys see the before and after, and then after the video's done, I'm gonna come back and I want y'all to tell me if you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, I mean, that's fine. You can give it a thumbs down. I mean, to each their own. I'm not hating. And if you do enjoy it and you want to leave some positive feedback down below, make sure you drop some comments down below, you guys. I'm here for all the love. But let's get started into this vlog, you guys. Let me show you guys the process so y'all can see the before and the after and see why your girl is so in love with her new flow. Bam! You know, I'm in love with it, you guys. I'm excited. Let's get started to this vlog. All right, you guys, so this is my living room, but one of the things that I've really been wanting to change is the flooring, you guys, okay? I can't do it. I know it looks nice. I know some people are like, girl, the flooring looks great, but I don't like how it's in the middle. It's either got to be a light color or dark color. I don't like the in-between. Plus it just, I don't know. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just not for me. You know, look, it sort of matches my nails. But yeah, you guys, we're gonna get rid of the flooring. We're gonna upgrade the flooring. Sorry if you guys hear the door. That's my husband coming back in from getting the tools and stuff. We're gonna upgrade the flooring. Big deal. I'm super excited. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color we're doing. You guys have to stay tuned to see the color that we are doing. So I also wanna show you guys another thing that has been happening in our house. If it's not one thing, or it's another. And if you guys saw my prior vlog, you guys already know that we had water damage by the back, so that is why we are redoing the floors. So yeah,
that was just wind right there.
What happened with this? Yeah, basically what happened right here, wind damage from outside, so the bubbling of the drywall and stuff like that started happening like all over here. It was like bubbling everywhere from the hurricane that we had, and we never fixed it. So what I did was I put my tree there, and I was like, nobody's gonna see it. So what we did was we respackled the wall, you guys, and it's nice and smooth. So this has to get another paint job as well, you guys, but that is because, like I said, we had a hurricane here, so we had damage on that wall. So yeah, everything's gonna get nice and smoothed out with a new coat of paint, you guys. I have something else, a big surprise that is happening on this wall right here, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see it, but like I said, y'all gotta stay tuned. I'm not gonna show you guys what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna do videos like, you know, like progressing and showing you guys the updates. But I'm gonna transform this whole freaking living room, house, decor, all that. I'm going with a completely different vibe, you guys. Yeah, out with the old, in with the new. Next time when you guys see me pull this vlog up, hopefully y'all be seeing my brand new floors. Y'all so excited. So let me show you guys real quick. I got my husband over here taking out the quarter round right now. So right now it is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, so we're doing this on a Wednesday. We're gonna get this out. We're gonna take our time, you guys, because like I told y'all, we are working parents. So
secret, use a spatula to start your quarter round.
Yeah.
Hit it from the bottom, hit it up a little bit. After you cut it with the raisin, then use this to go inside there, because a lot of times your crowbars will be a little too bulky, and you just tear up your baseboards and your quarter round.
We're not gonna give you no more of his details, you guys. He gave y'all a little insight, but I can't give you all the secrets. We cannot give you all the secrets. Find you a man that works, okay? Then get your own little secrets. But you guys, I'm gonna pull you guys back up, watch the transformation. I hope you guys all enjoy and is as excited as I am, because I can't even get my words out, you guys. I can't even get it out. I'm super excited. I'm transforming this whole living room. We're going to a whole different vibe. I hope you guys like the vibe. Yeah, let's get started. All right, you guys, so please don't mind the pillows, but that's what we were basically using for like our knees and stuff, because boy, whoo, knees are hurting. But this is the before, and this is what the floor is looking like now, you guys. I'm really excited. Oh, it looks so good. I just wanted to tune in and show you guys what it looks like before, after. Before, after. If you guys do enjoy seeing the content and are liking what you see, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and go ahead and join the fam. I'm back, you guys. It's just this project's gonna take maybe about like 2-3 days, because we should be able to finish the rest of this tomorrow. And then, you know, I got 2 dining room areas, so I got to finish that, and then the other dining room area as well. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far, you guys. Looks so good. Y'all, my house is in total chaos. It is chaos, you guys, and it's driving me insane, but I'm not even gonna sweat it, because once we get everything done, we're gonna move everything back into position. But this is just to show you guys, this work is literally done by me and my husband only. You know what I'm saying? We don't have any help. It's just me and him in here, you know what I'm saying, doing the darn thing. Hey. All right, you guys, so this is what my house is looking like thus far, you guys. I still have this over there from last night, but we took out some of the boxes from in the dining room. So I'm gonna take you in the dining room, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like the before and after that. But this is what it looks like so far, you guys. It looks so good. Really, really good. I'm really excited about this. This is what the floors look like. Then we did over here. This is where I usually put my shoe rack and stuff like that. So that is done. We're probably gonna wait to put the quarter round on like either tomorrow or next weekend, y'all, because this has been a long process. Not really too long, because you think about it, if you add up the hours, because we've been starting after work, we've been doing this for under a day now, if we were to add up the hours, because we do work. So yeah, but so far it looks so good, you guys. I want to show you guys. That's my shoe rack that usually go over here. I might get a new shoe rack because that one looks sort of janky, but whatever. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Woo. And this is my dining room table, you guys, right now. That's the flooring as well. I'm also gonna update the dining room. What I'm gonna do is, as you guys see, I have a black dining room table, black floors. It looks like it blends into each other. So I'm gonna separate that, and I'm gonna buy a rug to go on there, so that way we have some separation, because it just looks like it's just one, if you get what I mean. But yep, that looks so good. I'm excited. Walk you guys over here. Right now what we're doing, yeah, what my husband said right now, you guys, we're getting ready to move the transition pieces that's going on to the bathroom. Then we have to do in the closet right here. Then I have my husband removing this transition piece that goes to our second dining room area into the kitchen. And we have all this removed as well, you guys. So we're gonna finish this area right now, but we're almost done. You guys see I have a really big downstairs. So all the way from over there to right here. Don't mind the mess. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like whenever it's completely done. But yeah, we've been making pretty good progress. All right, you guys, so this is, don't mind my phone right there, you guys, but yeah, this is the finished look. The lighting is, because the weather's been all janky, you guys, and it's been storming. But you guys, don't mind that. You already know I put the tree over there, you know, we'll get started on that one later. But yeah, you guys, this is the flooring. I hope you guys all enjoy. This is what it looks like, you guys. I want to show you guys some of the updates that I want to do. I'm getting rid of that pillow because honestly, I'm tired of that pillow. I don't want it no more. I don't know. It just don't speak to me no more. Getting rid of that pillow. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but that pillow's just got to go. It's just not doing me no more justice. But yeah, as you guys can see right here, we still got the quarter round. And right there, we have to put together or, you know, get in on the wall. And I think we might end up doing that a little bit later because like I said, This weekend's gonna be our anniversary, and I don't want to be worrying about doing the house on our anniversary. But yeah, everything has come together. And tell me if you guys notice anything. I almost literally ran into my chair. That right there I also want to redo. It's the fireplace mantle right here. I don't know what plans I got for it, but baby, I got some plans for you. And on top of that, I got plans for the wall. I don't know yet what I'm doing, y'all, but just know when I do it, it's gonna be epic. I feel like I need to do something on the fireplace right here. And actually that right there needs to be moved, but we put it on the fireplace so that we can do the flooring, so that'll be moved. I don't know what I want to put in place of that subwoofer right there, you guys. If anyone has any suggestions, go ahead and drop it down below, because that's just all of our old CDs and I just don't want it there no more. But our mantle's not the biggest, so that subwoofer actually won't fit. I don't know if I should probably bring that particular box into the bedroom since we have, you know, that right there. But yeah, I'm not really sure yet, but for right now it'll probably go on the other side. But yeah, I want to update that. But this is what it looks like right now, you guys. I'm super duper excited. We're going with a totally different vibe, guys. 2021, totally different vibe. I'm also gonna switch that burlap out as well, you guys. Everything's gonna go. Everything's gonna be updated and fresh. Yes. And tell me, have you guys noticed anything? It went from light and bright with the light brown flooring to like very like cool, sexy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get the vibes? That's what it went to. It went from light and bright to like cool, calm, and collective, you know? I'm in love with it. Everything's coming together. This was one of the biggest things that I honestly wanted to change, you guys. I'm so happy and blessed I was able to do it. Finally. All right, you guys, so tell me, did you guys love the floors as much as I do, y'all? I'm in love with my floors, you guys. I cannot tell y'all, this is the change that I've been wanting, that I've been needing, you guys. I hope that you guys all enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed the flooring process. I know I didn't show you guys how to or anything like that, but you guys gotta understand, it was literally a two-man job. So it was me and my husband in here laying the floors, and I have a huge downstairs. You guys got 2 dining room areas and a big living room. So there's no time for me to just keep setting up the camera, setting it in this direction and that direction, you guys, because we literally had to get on this project when we got off from work. So if I had to add up the hours, we did this in under a day, because usually we get off, we got started on it the first day, I think at like 6:37, and then the second day around the same time. No, we got started on it later the second day, you guys. But yeah, all in all with the hours, we got done with it in 3 days. Super excited. Not really completed all the way yet, because as I'm going to show you, well, you guys probably saw it in the prior clip, we still got to put the cord around it and stuff like that. I don't know when I'm going to get to that, because this weekend is me and my husband's anniversary, and I don't want to, you know, worry about doing house things when we should be celebrating each other and our love and just enjoying each other's company. But yeah, you guys, super excited. Stay tuned. I hope that you guys all enjoy it. Make sure that you like, comment, hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell. Y'all give this video a thumbs up. You know, subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. I'm at a loss for words, because I'm honestly so in love with my flooring. Like, if y'all don't love it, I'm sorry, but I love it. I'll see y'all later. Y'all hear that? What is that? Dang, what's that noise? Sounds like a bird or something. Did y'all hear that? Bye.